In today's video, I am going to teach you how to export test mode data to CSV in Stripe. Start by making sure you are already signed in to your Stripe dashboard and that you are working in the correct Stripe account. This is important if you manage more than one account, since you want to export data from the right workspace. Next, switch to the sandbox environment that contains the test data you want to export. Before you continue, confirm that you are viewing sandbox data and not live data. This helps you avoid exporting real payment information by mistake and ensures that the file only includes your test records. Once you are in the correct environment, go to the left-hand navigation menu and click Transactions. From there, open the Payments tab so you can view your sandbox payment records in the table. In the upper right area of the Payments table, click Export. This will open the export window where you can define exactly what should be included in the CSV file. First, select the time zone you want Stripe to use for the timestamps in the export. This is helpful if you need the dates and times in a format that matches your reporting or local region. After that, choose the date range for the test data you want to export. Stripe may offer options such as today, current month, last 7 days, last 4 weeks, last month all, or custom. If you need a specific time period, choose custom and then enter the exact start and end dates you want included in the file. Next, open the columns drop-down. Here you can choose a preset column layout or select the specific fields you want included in the CSV. This allows you to tailor the export to match the details you need for review, analysis, or reporting. Take a moment to review the settings you selected. Make sure the time zone, date range, and columns all match the test payment data you want to export. When everything looks correct, click Export to generate the CSV file. Stripe will then begin preparing the export. If you are exporting a larger set of test payment data, it may take a little time to process. Once the file is ready, save it to your computer. Finally, open the CSV file and confirm that it contains the test payment records and columns you selected. This final check helps ensure that the export completed correctly and that you have the exact data you need. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.